Like and subscribe. The Boy and the Gentle Monster. Once upon a time, in a little town nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there was a young boy named Leo. He loved exploring and often roamed the woods in search of hidden treasures. One sunny afternoon, as Leo was searching for interesting rocks by a stream, he heard a soft whimper coming from a nearby cave. Curious, he approached and found a creature unlike any he had ever seen. It had big furry feet, sparkling blue eyes, and a tail that swayed to and fro like a cat's. Despite its size, which was larger than Leo himself, the creature's eyes were filled with tears. "Why are you crying?" asked Leo, his initial fear replaced by concern. The creature sniffled. "I'm lost and sad. Everyone runs away from me because I look different, scary, and my size changes depending on how I feel." Leo studied the creature, realizing that it was gentle and meant no harm. "I won't run. My name's Leo. What's yours?" The creature smiled, revealing a row of tiny pearly teeth. "I'm Mogo." And thus began a unique friendship. Leo and Mogo spent their days playing by the stream, building forts, and sharing stories. But there was one problem. Leo knew that his family and friends would never understand Mogo, so he decided to keep him a secret. Every evening, Leo would sneak Mogo food from home and make sure he was safe in his cave. However, secrets are hard to keep, especially in a small town. One day, Leo's younger sister, Mia, decided to follow him to the stream. She gasped when she saw Mogo and ran back to town, crying out, "There's a monster in the woods!" Soon the whole town gathered with torches, ready to chase away the dangerous beast. Leo stepped forward, standing between the crowd and Mogo's cave. "Wait," Leo pleaded. "Mogo isn't dangerous. He's my friend." The townsfolk murmured in disbelief. "A monster? A friend?" they whispered among themselves. Just then, Mia, clutching her favourite teddy bear, stepped up beside her brother. "I was scared because I didn't understand," she admitted. "But I saw how Mogo plays with Leo, just like I play with my teddy. He is gentle and kind and very funny. He won't hurt us." One by one, the townspeople lowered their torches, realising that perhaps they had been too quick to judge. The town's oldest resident, Mrs. Eleanor, approached Mogo, who was now standing beside Leo. "We've learned a lesson today about fear and understanding," she said. "Leo and Mogo have shown us that just because something is different doesn't mean it's bad." From that day forward, Mogo was no longer the monster of the woods, but a beloved member of the community. The children would visit him, and he would tell them stories from the other side of the forest. And so, the fable teaches that before we let our fears guide us, we must try to understand. For in understanding, we often find friendship in the most unexpected places. If you would like to appear in one of our stories as a character, send us an email telling us a little bit about yourself and what you want your story to be about. We'll choose the best ideas and write a story especially for you. Our email address is storytelling581@gmail.com. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We release a new video every Sunday and you don't want to miss out. Goodbye!
The Fable Factory.